Namaste and good morning. Today onward we will start our textbook, uh, Unit 3. Unit 3, the topic of Unit 3 is business and commerce. So, three things we are going to read over here. Example of an interview, it is a part of literature. Literature that comes under reading. So, in reading section, in literature, we are going to read example of an interview. Then after in grammar, we will read use of present tense. Present tense means simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. All tense we will read here. And third one, language function. Here we will read how to make request. How the different form of request of different sentences are used to make request. So three things we are going to read in this unit. Today I will do nothing, just I will give you assignment, reading assignment. So here is an interview. You can see an interview with a local business person. Some of the class 8 students are assigned a work, a project work for their magazine to take an interview with a business person, local business person, and what he has experienced. Yes, how he get involved over there, how means that how he got involved into that business, what was his life before business, and what is his life after business. So such type of question is asked, and after getting the answer, they have presented the interview over there. Okay, so first of all, you have the homework to read it, to read this text. First work. Second one, I am going to show you some of the sentence that is used to make a request in language function. Here you can see, would you mind telling us about your childhood and primary education? So it is a form of request. Would you mind? Would you mind telling us about dot dot dot? So would you mind plus before. It is one form of to make request. Okay, would you mind opening the window? Would you mind closing the window? Would you mind opening the door? Would you mind closing the door? Just would you mind telling a story? In this way, would request we make using this structure. Yes, would you mind plus before this one. So such type of language we'll read here in this unit 3. In literature, we'll read about an example of interview, how we can prepare an interview, what type of questions should be asked in interview. These things we learn from here. Yes, these things we learn from here. So read it. First, your first homework is read it. Second one is the new word. Yes, where you get the new word, just underline it. Understand what you have to do? Underline it. New word. You have to underline it. Second one, you have to search the meaning of the word from the dictionary. Second thing, you have to search the meaning of the word from the dictionary. Second thing. Third thing, be very careful, and you have to find out in which context the word is used over there. For example, my childhood was very normal. You see here, my childhood was very normal and happy. See here the sentence. How to find out contextual meaning? Until and unless you don't understand or find out contextual meaning, you won't understand a sentence. My childhood was very normal and happy. So you can see here normal. Normal. He got an accident. How is he? He is normal. Yes, he is normal. This normal and here in this sentence, this one is very different. Here, my childhood was very normal. It means what? It means what? What it means that the normal out of danger. Here, the normal means out of danger. No, Yeah, normal means what? My childhood was very normal, means not hi-fi. I didn't maintain my life as a luxurious life. A sophisticated life means normal one, means neither so hi-fi nor so poor. Means I belong to a mid-class family. Yes, from there was no scarcity of hand to mouth. In this sense, it is used over here. My childhood was very normal and happy means not hi-fi, just simple. My childhood was very normal and happy means simple. Yes, simply means not hi-fi, not luxurious, not sophisticated. In this sense, in this normal is used. So you have to find out in which context the word is used over here. First of all, if you open dictionary, normal have lots of meaning. Now you have to find out in which sense that normal is used over there. Is that clear? So in this way you have to read. So reading assignment. Today I am leaving you the reading assignment and I gave you introduction what we are going to study in unit 3. First of all, example of interview. Today I have given you this one. Tomorrow I will tell you the summary. Tomorrow I will tell you the summary, what is given there over and what you have understood. I will tell the summary, then after that what you have understood from there, try to match it. Yes, if you have understood the same thing what I have told, it means that you have read properly. Second one, use of present tense will read there, and language function. So altogether it will take 3-4 days. 3-4 days or 1 week. It may take 1 week to complete unit 3. Okay, so first of all, read this one, underline, then after that how I have find out the contextual meaning, you have to do or you have to read in the same way. So only this much for today. In next class I will come without this first one. It will take 2-3 days. This part 2-3 days it will take. So tomorrow class I will talk about that interview with the business person, what is given there and what you have understood. Till then, stay home, stay safe, have a good day. Thank you.